Hi, I'm Nathan, one of the co-founders here at TestChimp. Now you already know about ExploreChimp. It's the agent that walks through your web app guided by smart tests and analyzes sources like the DOM, the console logs, browsing sources, and screenshots. All these metrics are used to hunt down bugs. Think of it like a driver looking out the window to spot the bugs that an automation script just can't see. But sometimes the truth is you need more than just a driver. You need a specialist. And that's why we're rolling out our troop of special purpose agents. They still use smart tests as a guide, but they're able to do some very specific, very annoying jobs, things that you'd otherwise have to do manually. First up, theme tester. This is the agent that loops through every theme that you support, analyzing screens for very specific issues. Things like contrast problems, text that disappears into the background, or just ugly color combos. It can swap themes via cookies, local storage, or agentically interact with the web app to toggle a button. The localization tester. Supporting multiple locales can introduce a heap of new bugs, often bugs that are specific to each language. Similar to theme tester, this agent loops through different locales you support, hunting for broken translation, dangling template strings, date or currency formatting issues, and even things like layout breakages and right to left languages. It'll also check for cultural appropriateness. You no longer need to worry about offending someone with your bad French. Then there's also the forms validation tester. We know that writing negative test cases is soul-crushing work, and we're all about automating the boring so that you can focus on the important stuff. You just have to write out the happy path, the correct way to fill out the form, and our agent uses that as a map, but then goes into full-on berserker mode. It tries past dates, future dates, negative numbers, random strings. It'll go crazy pushing the boundaries of minimum length requirement, things like white space inputs. It'll even throw invalid date formats such as numbers into text fields. Officially, it's the form validation tester, but I'm calling this Agent Deadpool. It gets the job done by being as wrong as possible. The good news is it'll make sure your app correctly blocks the bad data without you having to write a single line of negative test code. Now I can hear you asking, Nathan, I don't have any smart tests yet. Don't worry. That's why we built the Screen Discovery Agent. This agent methodically crawls through your app, maps out your screens in the Atlas sitemap, and automatically generates your initial smart test suite. And if you want to cover off specific user journeys, it's easy to add more smart tests with our Chrome extension. It builds the GPS so the rest of the troop can get to work. This is just the start of our troop. We've got more agents coming, including an RBAC tester to verify role-based authorizations are working, and a network resiliency checker to see what happens when the Wi-Fi drops. But we're also looking for more ideas, so let us know if you have any random thoughts or very specific needs. This troop is ready now, and you can try them out at TestChimp.io. So stop stressing about the worst parts of testing and let us handle it. That's all for now, but as always, keep on testing.